Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I trust you all are doing great. So guys, let's quickly make this easy and delicious breakfast recipe. This is very easy to put together and it is so yummy and very simple. So guys, let's get started. So I already chopped my veggies. Here I have tomatoes, red bell pepper and habanero pepper. Here I also have some chopped onions, seasoning, curry and some salt. And I'm going to be making use of 7 eggs. And you can use as many as you want, okay? So into my fry pan, I went in with some vegetable oil. I allowed that to hot, then I went in with my chopped onions. So I'm going to stir this together. Then I'm going to be adding my chopped veggies. So for the veggies, like I said, is tomatoes, bell pepper and habanero pepper. So after adding it, I'm just going to stir everything together. Then after I'm done stirring, I'm going to cover it to cook or fry, whichever way, okay? And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. And please, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. So please keep watching, keep liking and subscribing. I really do appreciate you all. So I added all my seasoning and you can see. So when I stirred together, then I covered it to cook for some minutes. Okay, so now we are going to crack in our eggs. Like I said, I'm making use of 7 eggs. So now I brought out a bowl, then I start to crack in the eggs. So after I'm done cracking the eggs, I'm going to beat the eggs just the way you are seeing on the video. So I'm not going to be adding salt into my egg because I already added salt into the sauce. So once I'm done with that, so I'm going to go back and check if the sauce is properly cooked. So at this point our sauce is nicely cooked, so it's time to introduce the beaten eggs. So I went in with the eggs. So once I'm done adding the eggs, I didn't bother to stir at this time. So I'm just going to cover it and let that cook on a medium heat, not too high, not too low, so that your eggs will not get burnt. So after like 2 to 3 minutes, I went in to check the eggs. So I'm just going to start to stir gently, just the way you are seeing. I don't want the eggs to get burnt. So now I'm just going to mix everything together, just the way you are seeing. And guys, this was super yummy and delicious. So at this point our egg is ready. You can see how yummy this is looking, and trust me guys, this was so delicious. And if you are watched to this extent, please don't forget to like this video, okay? Please always like the video after watching. It really helps. It helps YouTube to push it to more people, okay? Thank you so much guys. And also drop me your comments. And guys, this was so delicious. Look at that. So now I'm just going to serve. So I've dished the egg, Then I brought out my sliced bread. You can eat this with yam, sweet potato, or Irish potato, whichever one you prefer. But I'm going to be enjoying my egg sauce with some sliced bread. So once I'm done arranging my bread, I'm going to be adding Milo into my cup. I'm using Milo, yeah. So you can as well use Bonvita, whichever one is okay. Anyone you like drinking. So I added some Milo into my cup and I went in with some hot water. Then I added pink milk. And that's it, guys. So now I'm just going to enjoy my breakfast and that's it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye, guys. Bye.